Over 200 MPs submit motion in Parliament to impeach Justice Yashwant Verma. A massive push for the impeachment of Justice Verma is gaining traction in the Parliament. The Speaker, as directed by the Supreme Court, will announce the formation of an inquiry panel, which will be comprising a sitting Supreme Court judge, a Chief Justice of a High Court, and an eminent jurist. The panel is likely to submit its report by the next session. The impeachment motion has found backing from 152 Lok Sabha MPs and 55 Rajya Sabha MPs, crossing the threshold needed to initiate the proceedings. Now, the motion to remove Justice Verma will come first in the Lok Sabha, and if Justice Verma is found guilty, the motion requiring a two-thirds majority in both houses will pave the way for his removal by the President. Now, as the cash haul raises serious questions about judicial accountability, this could become one of the rarest impeachments in India's legal history.
I need to inform you that I have received notice of motion under Article 217, 1B, read with Article 218 and Article 124, Sub-Article 4 of the Constitution of India, along with Section 31B of the Judges Enquiry Act 1968, to constitute a statutory committee for removal of Justice Yashwant Verma, Judge of the High Court of Judicature at Rajasthan, at Allahabad. This has been received by me today. It is signed by more than 50 members of the Council of States, and thus it meets the numerical requirement of signing by members of Parliament for setting in motion a process for removal of a High Court judge.
ये 63 सांसदों ने, अपोजिशन के सांसदों ने साइन किया है। आज हम लोग सबमिट किए हैं। 50 सिग्नेचर्स की जरूरत होती है। आज जो अवेलेबल थे, जो वहां पे पहुंच सके थे, उन्होंने साइन किए हैं। और भी ज्यादा लोग साइन करना चाह रहे थे, क्योंकि हम लोगों को आज ही सबमिट करना था। हम लोगों ने सबमिट किया है। सारे पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज को ऑन बोर्ड लिए हम लोग। सारे अपोजिशन पार्टीज इसमें सहमत जताए हैं। हम चाहते हैं कि जो जजेस का जो ट्रायल होता है, जजेस को जो रिमूवल का जो प्रोसीजर होता है, वो सारे प्रोसीजर्स फॉलो करें। फॉलो करने के बाद उनके रिमूवल का प्रक्रिया शुरू करें।